Hello everyone, welcome back to our hairstyling video today. Today we'll be showing you some simple, easy and creative hairstyles. So first, tie the hairs on the sides like this and fix it in the between and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this from the between and then rotate it. After that, rotate it again and fold it upward and fix it in the between. Now repeat the process for a few more times and fix the hairs in the same manner like this. Now fix the beautiful hair clips in the between and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and rotate it from the between. Now join them on the back and then rotate the hairs like this in the half section. Now fix them together and make a bow on the top like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and make a knot like this. Now fix all the hairs together and tie the hairs on the downside and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Make the plaits on the upper part and then on the downside rotate the hairs and fix it to make a bow like this on the top and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now pull out the hairs from the sides little bit. Fix the hairs in the same manner. Now again tie the hairs and pull out the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now fix them together on the back. Again rotate it from the between and fix all the hairs in the between like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie them on the back one by one. Take the hairs from the downside and tie it on the top. Pull out the hairs from the sides, decorate it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then fix the hairs in the between after dividing the hairs. Make the plaits on the sides and it's ready.